How to fix Instagram views problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you found here update, just click update. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now just restart your phone and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it and you have an Android phone, go to settings, apps, and apps again. Here you will find Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now all your problems and it will be fixed. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, and this iPhone storage, select Instagram and click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.